Good morning everyone. My name is Siddharth Mane and today I will be present an overview of oxygen sensors. We will explore their importance, types, working and principle and their application in various industries. Oxygen sensor plays a critical role in monitoring and controlling the air fuel mixture in combustion engine. They help in ensuring efficient fuel combustion, reducing emission and improving engine performance. Additionally, these sensors are also used in medical devices, environmental monitoring, and various industrial processes. Now next is function of oxygen sensors. First is measure oxygen levels. Oxygen sensors detect the amount of oxygen in exhaust system, providing feedback to the engine control unit. Second is optimize fuel efficiency. This data allows the engine to adjust the air-fuel ratio for maximum fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Third is detect malfunctions. Oxygen sensors can also identify issues in engine or exhaust system, triggering warning lights on the dashboard. Now types of oxygen sensors. There are several types of oxygen sensors, each suited to specific applications. The most common type include: first type is zirconium oxygen sensor, widely used in automotive applications. They operate on the principle of detecting the difference in oxygen level between the exhaust gas and the ambient air. Second is titanium oxygen sensors. These sensors work by changing their electrical resistance in response to the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Third is wideband oxygen sensor, offering more precise measurement. They are used in modern engine to provide continuous feedback for air-fuel ratio adjustment. Now next part is oxygen sensor placements. First is upstream sensors, located before the catalytic converter. These sensors monitor the air-fuel mixture entering the exhaust system. Second is downstream sensors, placed after the catalytic converter. These sensors are ensure the converter is working efficiently. Now third is sensor locations. Sensors are typically found in the exhaust modified catalytic converter or near the engine. Next is oxygen sensor voltage output. First is rich mixture. When the air fuel ratio is too rich, more fuel, the sensor voltage is high. Second is lean mixture. A lean mixture, more air, result in lower sensor voltage. Third is stoichiometric. The ideal air fuel ratio or stoichiometric point produces a sensor voltage of around 0.45 volt. Fourth is voltage fluctuations. The sensor voltage rapidly switch between rich and lean to maintain the optimal air fuel ratio. Now next part is oxygen sensor diagnosis. First is check engine light. Illumination of the check engine light often indicates the issue with the oxygen sensor. Second is voltage testing. Using the multimeter to check the sensor's voltage output can help to diagnose this problem. Third is diagnostic codes. Trouble code resulted to the oxygen sensor can be read using the OBD second sensor. Fourth is engine performance. Monitoring engine performance can also indicate if the oxygen sensor is functioning correctly. Now next is oxygen sensor troubleshootings. First is sensor failure. Common issues include faulty sensor, wearing problems or contaminations. Second is diagnostic steps. Inspect the sensor, check the voltage output and scan for the trouble codes. Third is replacement. If the sensor is manufacturing, it will need to replace to the restored proper engine operations. Now next part is oxygen sensor replacement. In preparation, ensure the engine is cool, then disconnect the sensor's electrical connectors. Now second is removal. Use the proper tools to loosen and remove the old oxygen sensors. Third is insulations. Apply anti-seize compound and tight the new sensor to the recommended torque space. Fourth is reconnection. Plug the sensor back into the wiring harness and clear any diagnostic trouble codes. Now next is importance of proper oxygen sensor functions. First is emission control. Functioning oxygen sensor helps catalytic converters reduce harmful exhaust emissions. Second is fuel efficiency. Accurate air-fuel mixture ratio mentoring improve engine performance and fuel economy. Third is diagnostics. Oxygen sensor data is critical for identifying and troubleshooting engine problems. Fourth is regulatory compliance. Proper oxygen sensor operation is required for a vehicle to pass emissions testing. In a conclusion, oxygen sensors are vital components in various systems, ensuring efficiency, safety, and environmental protection. Understanding their types, working principle, and application allows to use appreciate their significance in modern technologies. Thank you for your attention.